Welcome to Irian Mecatronics. We specialize in designing and providing high-pressure, high-temperature HPHT equipment that is tailored to meet the specific needs of your scientific research and industrial applications. By working closely with you, we create custom solutions that enable you to explore extreme conditions, driving discoveries and advancements across multiple fields. Our approach ensures that each system is specifically designed to address the unique challenges and objectives of your research, providing you with the tools necessary to achieve breakthroughs in complex environments. As a researcher, you benefit from our team's expertise in automation, mechanics, computing, electronics, and instrumentation, all dedicated to developing the precise test solutions you need. We focus on engineering systems specifically adapted to meet the unique requirements of your research project. Each solution is fully customized to align with your objectives, ensuring it is suited to the challenges of your complex research environments. With our advanced HPHT equipment, you have the tools necessary to conduct experiments under extreme conditions. Whether you're studying material behavior, fluid dynamics, chemical reactions, or environmental processes at high pressure and temperature, our systems provide the reliability and accuracy needed. Our solutions are designed to support your research wherever such challenging conditions are essential. The process begins with gathering requirements, where we collaborate closely to understand your research needs, technical challenges, and operational constraints. This ensures we align with your expectations. Next, we move to the concept design phase, where multiple solutions are explored to visualize different approaches. We take care to reuse proven designs and components whenever possible to reduce costs and maximize reliability. After selecting the best concept, we refine it into a detailed technical design, specifying materials and components. This is followed by production, where the equipment is precisely built according to the specifications. Finally, we perform rigorous testing to validate the system, ensuring reliability and functionality under real-world conditions. Our expertise allows us to design equipment for any field where high-pressure and high-temperature conditions are required. Our systems are versatile and reliable, supporting a wide range of applications across various industries. As a researcher or organization, you can rely on Irian Mecatronics to provide tailored solutions that meet your specific high-pressure and high-temperature research needs. With a global presence, we support your cutting-edge projects across a variety of fields, helping you achieve scientific advancements and drive industrial innovations. Our expertise ensures that your research is backed by custom equipment designed to address your unique challenges.
Here are a few examples of custom solutions we've created for researchers across different fields. These case studies showcase our expertise in designing and building tailored test systems that meet the specific research needs of our clients. Each project highlights our ability to understand and address the unique requirements of researchers working in various industries and scientific disciplines. One example is a test bench designed to simulate turbulent flow with drag reducer agents, DRA. This system allows researchers to study fluid dynamics under controlled pressure and temperature, helping to optimize fluid transport and improve system efficiency. Although this is a specific example, the same expertise can be applied to a wide range of research areas that require high pressure and high temperature conditions. Another example of our custom solutions is the high-pressure dual syringe pump, designed for precise fluid injection and mixing under high-pressure conditions. While this system is tailored for applications such as material testing, chemical reactions, and fluid handling, the expertise required to develop such a system can be applied across a wide range of other research areas. This includes automated mixing processes, testing material properties under high-pressure conditions, and custom fluid handling solutions for specific applications. An example of our expertise is the bioelectrochemical reactor system with ion exchange membrane, developed to manage controlled reactions under high-pressure conditions. While this specific system is aimed at advancing research in areas such as bioenergy production, fluid treatment, and electrochemical processes, the core know-how used to design and build it can be extended to other scientific fields. Our ability to apply high-pressure systems to complex biological and chemical processes allows us to support a broad range of applications, adapting our approach to meet the unique challenges of each research domain. Our PVT cell full visibility system is designed to analyze fluid behavior under pressure, focusing on phase transitions and chemical solubility. This system plays a crucial role in research areas such as thermodynamics, material behavior, drug formulation, and environmental fluid dynamics, offering valuable insights into how fluids interact with materials under high-pressure conditions. Fluid rock interaction studies are one example of the wide-ranging expertise we bring to custom system design. Our experience in developing solutions to test fluid behavior under high-pressure conditions enables us to tackle a variety of complex research challenges. The same expertise that powers our fluid rock interaction systems can be applied across numerous other research areas, whether you're studying fluid dynamics, material behavior, or simulating different processes. We also have the capability to design and manufacture custom pumps tailored to specific needs. Whether for high-pressure, high-temperature environments or specialized fluid handling, we can create pumps to meet the exact requirements of your research or industrial applications, ensuring they are suited to the unique challenges of your work.
Collaboration is at the heart of our approach. By working closely with you, the researcher, we combine your scientific expertise with our engineering and technical know-how to create custom test systems. We understand the unique challenges of your research, and together, we develop solutions that are specifically designed to meet your needs. Our ability to design and manufacture these systems ensures that the equipment is not only tailored to your requirements, but also optimized for precision and reliability, empowering you to achieve your research objectives. Thank you for your time today. If you're ready to take the next step in your research or need more information about our equipment and services, don't hesitate to contact us. Visit our website or reach out directly through email or phone. We look forward to collaborating with you and helping you achieve your next scientific breakthrough.